Hi class, welcome to Miss Rose's math group. I'm very excited to have you guys in here with me. I wanted to do a little presentation for you just for you to learn a little bit more about me before we get started with the school year. Some things about me. I went to Emporia State University, which is not far from our school here. And that's where I got my teaching degree to be here with you guys to teach you. I have two sisters that are pictured over here. They're both older. Their names are Megan and Allison, and they each have a daughter. So those are my two nieces, Kaylin and Lucy. And that picture was taken a bit ago. So Kaylin's a little bit taller. She's going to be in 6th grade this year, and Lucy's already 2 years old. So she's a little bit older than that little baby in the picture. This summer I did get a puppy. His name is Swanson. There's a picture of him. He is the most playful, cuddly dog you will probably ever meet. As far as some of my favorite things, my favorite color is purple. Pretty much any kind of purple is my favorite purple. And my favorite baseball team is the Kansas City Royals. And my favorite football team is the Kansas City Chiefs. My favorite subject to teach is math. I love dealing with problems and solving them, and there's just so much that goes into math. I really like it. Strangely enough, it wasn't my favorite subject when I was in school, but it is my favorite subject to teach. My favorite store is Target. I get everything at Target, and I probably go to Target more often than any other place. My favorite food is Chinese food. I love crab rangoon and orange chicken and lo mein, everything that comes with Chinese food. And my favorite drink is coffee. You will probably always see me with some coffee. A few things we will learn this year in math. We will learn about multiplication and division, which I know a lot of you are excited about. We will also kind of introduce you to fractions and what they mean and what they represent. And we will do some geometry. We'll be talking about different shapes and what we call them and why we call them those names. We will do some measurement, not only with time, but with measuring capacities and lengths and widths, and weight and all that kind of stuff. And that kind of goes right along with area and perimeter. We'll be learning how to measure the area and perimeter of a space. So we got a lot of exciting things we're going to learn this year. We have a lot to do, but it's all going to be fun. Now it's your turn. I would like you to post a video introducing yourself to the class. I know a lot of you already know each other, but I'm hoping that we'll get to know a little bit more about each other and get comfortable working with each other, because we're going to do a lot of things this year that are collaborative. We're going to be working together a lot. So I would like you to create a video of yourself to the class. I want you to kind of do what I did and list your favorite things and some things about you. You can add pictures. You can take pictures of your family at home and add it to there if you'd like. Whatever you'd like to do, just make sure that we are learning some things about you. I would also like you to add one thing that you're excited about this year. It doesn't have to be with math. It can be with something else, just something that you're really excited about with 3rd grade. And I want you to narrate your video kind of like what I did. You can do that using Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I used, making a slideshow and then kind of talking through it. You can use iMovie or you can use Keynote, as long as you find a way to narrate your video. When you are finished, I want you to upload it into Google Classroom, and under that you will find the introductions heading, and you can upload it into there. When you're done, I'd like you to watch some of your classmates' videos and maybe comment on them, finding things that maybe you guys have in common, and kind of try to connect with each other. I'm really excited about this class. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of work, and I hope you're ready.